Evil seeks evil. There's hell to pay. Let's just dive in, shall we?
Hey guys, day 3. Yes, let's do this. Okay guys, so first off, I'm going to glue down my brows, and I'm using this UHU stick glue. So I'm just going to go in with the glue stick like 3 times. So if I go in with the glue stick, I'm going to use a spoolie and brush my hair upwards so it can lay flat against my skin. So I practically went in with the glue stick like 3 times, and so now once it is dry and my brows are stuck to my skin, I'm just going to take some translucent powder, my Cutty Airspun powder, and I'm just going to further set those brows. And I'm going to further set those brows so they don't move or budge. Anyways, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go into my spirit gum. I'm just going to apply my bald cap. My bald cap this time around, the bald cap I made was too small, so it virtually ripped up on me as I was trying to apply it on my head. Which was such a bummer, but I said I'm going to use it. So anyways, that's why there are holes on the sides of my bald cap, but I eventually kind of patched it up eventually. But anyways, moving on. So once that bald cap is set on, I put some liquid latex at the tip of the bald cap just to blend it out into my skin. So once that is done, I'm just taking a white pencil, and I'm just basically putting dots on my face to act as a guideline on where I'm going to be putting the pins or the nails, anyone. So once I'm done putting those white dots all over my face and my head, I'm just going to take the spray gum again and apply it on each dot. Then once I apply it on the dot, I'm going to be taking some tape, that's some paper tape or masking tape. I'm just going to put just a little tape at the tip of the nail, and I'm going to apply this on my face. So I'm just basically going to apply the tape and the nails or pins all over my face. Man, the process was so lengthy that I couldn't continue on camera, so I had to go off camera and finish off the rest of the application. So guys, I am back and I finished applying all the nails, and I finished applying the modeling wax or the modeling putty. I'm using modeling wax and Vaseline to actually hide the paper tape so it's not visible, and to also give the illusion like it's popping out of my skin. So I'm using that putty wax to just seal or hold the end or the tip of the nail to give that illusion. So anyways, once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my white face paint and virtually paint my entire face white. I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I am back looking like a serious Ojuju Calabar. Anyways, I took some brown eyeshadow and I'm basically contouring. I'm trying to do a more feminine version of Pinhead or Hellraiser. So I'm contouring, then I added some eyeshadow on my crease line just to give that really sultry but devilish kind of look. Like when you look at her, you're like, oh, she looks kind of cute, but yeah, she's trouble. So anyways, that's why I applied some shadow and also some contour. So now going into my face paint, I'm just going to start drawing the line indentations on the head. Guys, when I shot this video, this was like 3 a.m. in the morning. I was super tired. So anyways, this is my Hellraiser in honor of Hellraiser that's coming out this year, or that is already out this year. Anyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.